What's up, people? Hold up. Probably can't even hear me.
Damn cape on. Hold on.
A few moments later.
Can't hear shit I'm saying. I'm back. I'm sorry for the wait. Just clean that off for you. Sorry, guys. I've been busy, man. Been busy doing shit that I really don't want to do, but it's the shit you got to do, and it's called work. Other than that, I'm back, man. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for staying subscribed. I appreciate the people still commenting and doing things like that and liking the videos, man. I really appreciate you. Hope you guys enjoy the videos. And then I've been gone, there's a lot of reasons. It's because I tried to do some crazy shit. You know, downtown St. Paul has the First National Bank building, and I was trying to dive it. And as I was coming down from the dive, I pretty much lost visual, and I lost the quad itself, the GoPros, the footage, everything on it. Brand new. I lost everything, so I ended up having to build another quad, programming it and getting all the PIDs right and trying to remember the PIDs because I didn't take a picture, so getting it all dialed in and flying and stuff. And hold on, I got a few clips here for you so you can see what I've been up to. Well, here, check these out. Check them out, you know, seen them, you know. That's me trying to get it together, learn some new tricks and stuff. I haven't been flying that much because of work, you know. Work all week, all I can do is fly on the weekends. And I got some new things, you know. I don't use tattoo batteries anymore. I use CNHL batteries, 100C batteries. I'll tell you right now, batteries are the bee's knees.
Oh, the shit.
I got some new things on there, you know. Tbs antenna. We got Tmotor 2600 V2. Got the Rotor Riot version of the Runcam V2, I believe. It's kind of dirty. I've been ripping, doing crazy shit, learning. The Tbs Unified Pro, but I couldn't get it unlocked, so now I'm back to AKK 800 switchable. Got the Frsky FRS X4 RSB. Kakute F4, you know, I gotta say Kakute. And you know, on a regular PDB with a 30 amp Speedix. But enough talk. I got my music going. Hold on, let me turn that up a little bit. So let's get to it. Fuck it. Let's just rip.